Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to add all your store policies to the footer in Shopify. First of all, open your Shopify dashboard, and from the bottom left corner, click on Settings. A new settings page will open. From here, find and open the Policies tab. On the right side, you will see a list of different policies. Let's start with the Return and Refund policy. Shopify provides a built-in template for this, so simply click Insert Template, and the details will be added automatically. Update any information you need, such as your contact details or address, and then click Publish. Next, open the Privacy policy. In this tab, you will find Privacy policy already added, and you can customize by switching Toggle off. And after making changes, again, click Publish. Do the same for the Terms of Service. Insert the template, customize the details, and publish it. Now, for the shipping policy, this one is not generated automatically, so you'll need to write it manually. You can create your own or use an AI tool to help you. Paste the text into the policy section and click Publish. After that, we have contact information. By inserting the template, Shopify automatically fills in your store's contact details. Review it, make changes if needed, and publish it as well. Once all your policies are created and published, go back to your dashboard. Now, from the left menu, navigate to Content, and from the submenu, Open Menus. On the right side, select the Footer menu. Here, we need to add new items, so click on Add Menu Item. Inside the link field, choose Policies from the list, select Privacy Policy, add it, and click Save. Repeat the same steps for every policy: Return Policy, Terms of Service, Shipping Policy, and any others you created. After adding all of them, click Save again. Next, from the left menu, go to Online Store and click on Customize to load the theme editor. Once you are inside the theme editor, scroll down to the footer, and you will see all the policies you added displayed automatically. And that's it. This is how you can easily add store policies to the footer of your Shopify store. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.